Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
All over the world, today is the 30th day of May 2023. We are honoring our heroes past. We are honoring our heroes past. We are honoring our heroes past. May the souls of the heroes rest in peace, starting from those people from Kwame Nkrumah, from those people like the president you're supposed to have in Africa, Captain Thomas Sankara. May your soul rest in peace. Biafra is honoring you today. Biafra is honoring the spirit of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Biafra is honoring the spirit of Thomas Sankara. Biafra is as well honoring the spirit of Idi Amin of Uganda. Biafra is honoring the spirit of Dr. Martin Luther King. Biafra is honoring the spirit of all the founding fathers and mothers of Biafra land, starting from the Abyssinia, Tigris, and Euphrates. Biafra is honoring every African spirit and the lovers of freedom today, the 30th day of May 2023. Biafra is honoring all the spirit of the hills, starting from the spirit of Jesus Christ, Yahweh Yeshua, because Jesus is our brother. You will see what will be happening now. You will see what will be happening now, because Biafra is having its freedom. Africa is liberated from today under the auspices of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa. That is how it is. I want everybody to be in spirit, because what I'm telling you today is going to be something that many people have not understand. And that is what is going to liberate our people. Anybody who knows me know that my father is not a man that does something wrong, but is somebody that does something very correct, because that is the genealogy, what you call the genesis. The genesis of everything is starting from your father and your mother. If your father and your mother does something well, now you have to take it to the continental aspect and to the political aspect. If your mother and father does something very correct, you have to take it to that level. Now, I want to tell our brothers and sisters that today Africa is liberated. And I want you to listen to what God Almighty is to tell us now, no? Before I go forward to do my expose. The expose I'm saying is that you should be very, very correct and follow people that have loved Africa, starting from Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. God bless you. Hear our humble prayer, mercy on your people, Lord. Hear our humble prayer, mercy on your people, Lord. Thank you. Praise the Lord. Exactly, that is how it is going to be. Brothers and sisters and lovers of freedom, I want our people to be very, very spiritual in this time, because Africa is to be liberated. Africa is to be liberated. I want people to be very, very truthful. If you say you are an African, if you say you are a correct person, You have to be very, very truthful. In this particular time around, that is what we're saying. Whether you are a man or woman, or you are somebody that is, that people look upon, be very, very correct. I'm not saying you should be wrong. Be very, very correct. That is the Cynthia. That is what you call Cynthia. And following that precept will lead you to the correct goalpost. I am telling us that Nnamdi Kanu is coming out. I am His Academic Highness. If you don't know, you should know it. I don't commit sin. Anybody that knows me knows that I don't commit sin. I am talking to you people, and I'm talking to our people. That this is it. As simple as that. Our people have seen that things has gone in a way and the other. But it is left for us to do it, to grab our own way. I praise the God Almighty, and I also thank Him for showering the way and the rain in Abakaliki, showering the rain in Anambra State, showering the rain in Imo State, because that is the prayer answer. I'm trying to tell you at the last stanza that God is with us. Just go down. Do the needful. Follow the Biafran people that say you are voting politicians out of contest. It is very important. Follow them. Don't follow politicians. Politicians are the one na-alụ ụnọ akwụna. Ndị politicians na-arụ ụnọ akwụna. Fada ada condemn ụnọ akwụna. Chineke kpọọ ndị fada ọkụ ọmụa na-ekwu, anọ mmụọ Chineke nọ n'ime m na-ekwu okwu. Chineke ga-akpọ ndị reverend fada ọkụ because ndị reverend fada da condemn hotel. Anya bụ ụnọ ndị akwụna. Onye abụ ihe ga-eme ọchịchị ha aga. Ọchịchị ha agago. Site n'ụbọchị gara aga. Ọchịchị ndị reverend fada na pastor agago. Kodo na anya no academic highness na-ekwu ihe meji akpọ mmadụ academic highness bụ na achọrọzi royal highness. Kodo na anya ghọta. Ihe na-agwa unu bụ na ihe ọma na-abịa mere ndị Igbo, ihe ọma na-eme na ebe ndị Igbo nọ, ndị nwelu obiọma. Ọ na-agba anakọta na chọọchị mgbe ha na-aka chọọchị asị ụmụ Chineke ndị nwere obi dị ya nsọ bịanụ ka unu uri ahụ Jesu. Ugbu a derizi ahụ Jesu. Anyị nwa nweta ndị na-eme all this nonsense. Anyị gwa ha why ha dara defend Christians. Na what ya na-ekwu. Anyị agwa ha why ka ha dara defend ahụ Kristi. Ahụ Kristi wụ Christian church. Ndị otu Kristi, ndị fada bụ ha na-aghọrị unu. Anyway, ihe dị babụ. Ihe anụwa ugo eberugo na mgbagbu. Ugo eberugo na mgbagbu. Ana m agwa unu eziokwu. Ndị ga-azọpụta ndị be ha maọbụ onwe ha bụ ndị ụkọchukwu na-emerọ isi chamfu. Ma ndị ụkọchukwu mere isi chamfu ha ma zọpụta onwe ha. Eziokwu Chineke ka m na-agwa unu. Onye ọbụla ke nchafu. Ka onye ọbụla ke nchafu n'ihi na oge akara aka erugo. Etu akọdị ka Chineke gozie anyị, gozie ụmụ Chineke, gozie ndị niile na-anụ ihe na ntị, ndị na-anụ ihe na ntị, because ndị kacha nwe problem bụ ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo nwe senso. Ndị Igbo bụkwa anya ha nwa bụ ndị nwe Afrịka, mana ndị Igbo ka eji Christianity and Islam ghọrịa. Fada kambịa fada ha nọ na your village onwe ike challenge ọra mgbe nwunye mmadụ. Ajụjụ ka na ajụ, that your reverend father onwe ike challenge that ọra mgbe nwunye mmadụ. Ajụjụ ka na ajụ. Ihe na-akpọ mbụ academic highness. Ọ bụ na man defend Bible and man save gị nwanne anyị ga-eweta aja nọ n'ala. Ị na ihe na-ekwu awụsịa n'ala. Ụmụ nwoke niile akpọ n'ala, ụmụ nwaanyị akpọ na line. Ekwe nke bụ eziokwu. Fada ga-agba ọsọ. Fada ga-agba ọsọ. Fada ga-agba ọsọ. Onye nwebe ihe nji akpọ ha ụkọchukwu melu isi chamfo. Ndị iyi bachi na Abakaliki language. mana Jesus Christ wee ezigbo mmadụ. Achọrọ m ka ndị be anyị ghọta ọdịiche dị na ndị ụkọchukwu melisi chamfo na ndị iyibachi. Ndị iyibachi bụ idiot maọbụ ihe prime minister na-akpọ idiot. Idiot. Prime minister Biafra na-akpọ idiot. Idiot bụ English language. To express the kind of stupidity of what? African kind of elites and religious leaders. How many reverend fathers can come and swear with me that they have never slept with somebody's wife? You know, God don't want that. God said in the Commandamento Universum of the Dios, do not covet your neighbor's goods. Before saying do not covet your neighbor's goods, he said number 9, do not covet your neighbor's wife. But the Reverend Father now covet neighbor's wife. It's the correct. You are not correct, man. You are not correct. You're supposed to keep quiet. Don't talk when people are talking. Because you are not righteous. If people idiot, according to Prime Minister of BRGIE, Biafra Republic Government in Exile, said that people are idiot. Idiot is not correct English language, but that is the Prime Ministerial English language, what you call English of Biafra. You are idiot because you are not understanding the meaning of the thing. I am telling our people that today we have honored the heroes of Biafra, starting from all the people that fought for Biafra, whether you are a white person or you are a black person, or you are a man or woman, whether you are a child or you are an adult. We doff our cap to you because God follow what we are saying, and God must bring and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and must change Africa. Thank you. That is how it is. That is how it is. God must do that. Not what people used to say. God must do that. You are going to see it within a couple of time. I thank all of you for listening to me. I am His Academic Highness, the man of truth, and also the man that wants Africa to be equal with other cousin continents for matter of clarity. A man of respect, a man that wants people to excel. Excel means to go higher. Not a man that don't want people to excel. God bless you immensely. Let us.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.